DJ the Jack says, welcome to the show, Fishy Fred Comics, Toy Cars in a Story. Hey, today we've got a full train board. We have set up quite a few things on the board today. It will be the last show with this train board set up. It will be redone and we'll start over. It will take some time, so I don't know how long it'll take me to get this thing rebuilt. Check it out, man. Fishy Fred Comics gonna have a new board, but let's enjoy this old one last time. Thank you for checking it out. Hey, man. Sockhat Joe says that Smith fella's down here grilling out, man. He's cooking us up some good grub, man. I think he's doing hamburgers and hot dogs and some steaks, man. Maybe even some barbecue chicken, man. Sockhat Joe can dig some good eats, man. Hey, we're gonna be throwing down some food in a little while. That's what Sockhat Joe said. DJ the Jack says, man, I tell you, it's another fun day on the set. Had this board loaded up, man. We brought in a couple of the outdoor sets. Brought in the Smith's Old Mill today. And then they brought in my pad, man. The block castle house. Put it over here on the beachfront property, man. DJ the Jack moved up on some real estate over there, man. That was pretty cool today. Hey, maybe the next train board will be even better. Thanks for checking it out. It's Fishy Fred Comics.